Collecting and paying sales tax can be complicated for some companies. For example, a company may have to collect and pay more than one sales tax. Many companies have a mix of taxable and non-taxable products and services to sell. Many also have some customers that are taxable, while other customers are not. QuickBooks Online uses an automated sales tax process to help simplify this for you. In QuickBooks Online Plus, you can apply sales tax on selected taxable items for taxable customers during the sales process. It keeps track of how much sales tax is collected and for which taxing agencies the sales tax is collected. It either automatically calculates sales tax in sales forms based on your company's location and the customer's taxable status and location, or it calculates sales tax by using a custom sales tax rate you select in the sales form. Either way, it only collects sales tax based on the taxable items sold in the sales form. From this information, QuickBooks Online Plus can then create the check or checks for the appropriate tax agency or agencies when the sales taxes collected are due. To enable sales tax in QuickBooks Online, click the Overview link under the Sales Tax app in the All Apps bar. Then click one of the Turn on Sales Tax buttons that appear in the Sales Tax Overview page to open a Getting Started page that steps you through the process of setting up your sales tax. The first page shows you the information you need to set up your sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Ensure you have this information and then click the Next button to continue. In the Address segment of the setup, enter or confirm your company's physical address in the Your Business Address field. If you need to change this, click the Edit button by this field, update your business address in the pane that appears, and then click the Save button within it. Your business address determines your default sales tax agency or agencies. When ready, click the Next button to continue. In the Tax Agencies segment of the Sales Tax Setup, the associated tax agency or tax agencies for the business's physical address appear. Select the sales tax filing frequency for each sales tax agency that appears from the Filing Frequency dropdown. When finished, click the Next button to continue. The next screen asks you to select either the Yes or No option to respond to the question of if you registered for sales tax with any other agencies. This helps you to set up additional sales tax agencies if you registered for a different state's sales tax from the state in which your company is physically located, for example. If you select Yes, then use the Select an Agency dropdown under the Tax Agency column that appears to select the tax agency for the different state, county, district, or city tax agencies for whom you must collect sales taxes. For each agency you select, also select the associated sales tax filing frequency from the adjacent Select Frequency dropdown in the Filing Frequency column. To add another sales tax agency if needed, click the Add Another Agency link and then repeat the process. As you add each sales tax agency, they are added to the sales tax agencies list in QuickBooks Online. If you select one by accident that you don't need, you can click the Delete button at the agency row's right end to remove it. After adding any additional sales tax agencies or selecting the No option to the question in this page if you don't need additional sales tax agencies, then click the Next button to continue. In the Review and Finish segment of the Sales Tax Setup, QuickBooks Online then shows the sales tax agencies it will set up for you in a list. To make changes if needed, click the Back button to return and make the needed changes. Alternatively, to finish, click the Finish and Turn on Sales Tax button to finish the automatic sales tax setup. Then click the Done button in the final screen to close the Sales Tax Setup page. QuickBooks Online then returns you to the Sales Tax Overview page, which contains widgets showing information about your sales taxes. New menu commands for managing sales tax now also appear in the All Apps bar. To view your current sales tax return information, click the Sales Tax Returns link under the Sales Tax app in the All Apps bar. The upper right corner of the page contains a Reports dropdown that lets you access common sales tax reports. Sales tax returns appear in a list at the bottom of the page. To filter the sales tax return list by tax return status, select a choice from the Status dropdown above the list. To filter the sales tax return list by tax period, click the Tax Period field, make your selections in the menu that appears, and then click the Apply button. To filter the sales tax returns by sales tax agency, select a choice from the Agency dropdown. Applied filters appear below the sales tax filtering fields. To clear an applied sales tax filter, click the X button at the right end of the applied filter. To view instructions for completing a sales tax return and recording it in QuickBooks Online, click the View Summary link in the Action column for the desired sales tax return. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.